Yes, I am quitting selling. Hello, welcome back to the channel. As you'll probably see by the title, I've got a rough idea of what I'm going to call it. It's a bit clickbaity, but bear with me. So yes, I am quitting selling on a certain platform. I've mentioned it before. Basically, Amazon FBA. I just don't have any real love for it, to be honest. There's many reasons which I'll go into, but this behind me, you can see it all piled up there, 21 items. I got them all back from Amazon. A lot of it had been there for a year or so, I think almost a year. So they were going to start charging me extra for it being a year. So that's one of the reasons. Another reason, it just doesn't seem to be selling. So I just figured I'm just gonna. I think a lot of this I sent up to Amazon end of obviously a year ago. But that was before I started doing books. So I've got a load more books back, and I'm hoping I can just bundle them in with other books and get them all out of the way. The board games, I'm probably just gonna sell them off as cheap as I can just to get rid of them, make some room. So yeah, that'd be good to get them out of the way. But yeah, so there's the fees, like every month you still get kind of charged a fee for it being there. I'm on a very basic level with Amazon, but you still have to pay a fee for them being listed, so I'm still getting charged. Nothing's really selling. I sold one item I think in the last 30 days, and that was a book which probably got me about £1 profit, if that. So yeah, it's not really worth it, and I can just hopefully get rid of this lot, get it out of the way, and not worry about Amazon at all. Yeah, but the annoying thing is, so when you send, if anyone has done FBA and sent a big box up to them, you generally pay about £5 or so for a big box to send it. I think it's like DHL or something like that. They come and collect it. You pay like not even a £5 sometimes. I think it's like £4 or something stupid. It's like ridiculously cheap to send items to Amazon. But to get these sent back, they sent it Royal Mail. I think it was not special delivery, but signed for delivery. And they sent it in 6 packages, I think it was. They sent it all back, and then they've charged me about 25 quid, something like that, for sending my stuff back to me. So yeah, it's I just think it's a bit of a liberty, to be honest, the amount of money that Amazon make, and why don't they just send it back to me through the same company that they send, or even just send it through Prime. I've got a Prime account, so in theory I could have bought all this myself, probably been cheaper, than getting it sent back to me via Royal Mail. It's crazy. But yes, so from now on I'm just going to be sticking to eBay for now until I decide to branch out, try different things. I don't really like any of the other selling platforms, to be perfectly honest, for various reasons. I keep thinking I might try Vinted, but it's not really for resellers, it's more for people selling their stuff. So yeah, we'll see. I'll figure something out. But for now, I'll stick with not Amazon. I'll stick with eBay and go from there. Yes, let me know what you think. If you sell with Amazon, sell on or FBA, FBM, fulfilled by merchant. That's me. I've still got my account, so I may possibly try fulfilled by merchant, but again, I don't really like it. The charges are ridiculous for Amazon. So yeah, they must be making money hand over fist, because people are selling their items through them. They're taking a massive cut for not doing much at all. So all these people that are going about FBA and it's the way forward, Amazon are absolutely raking it in. So yeah, anyway, that is my news. I'm hoping to have some more videos coming up soon, and and then I can go through a load of other stuff that I've got and is sold off. So yes, thank you very much for watching. A very quick one, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks again. Bye bye.